How to download free AI software for PC. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, go to Microsoft Store and then log into your account. Click on search bar and search for free AI. You'll find first option free AI content and image generator. Click on it and then simply click on Get. After clicking on Get, this will be installed. After it's installed, simply go to search bar and search for free AI. Then open the app. After you open the app, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. You'll find so many options in here, like demo for text generation, reminder emails, morning messages, rewrites, expand sentence to paragraph, blogs, blog ideas, and many more options on the left side. And that's how you download free AI software for PC. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.